Happy golden 50th birthday! I'm your French fry cotton candy lollipop, here to tell you some things about you.
Birthday po sa inyo. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa mga programa dito po sa Harvesters. Thank you po for being a partner and a blessing to all of us here from HCF, Tondo, and to other communities. Bumabati po kami ng maligayang kaarawan sa inyo at patuloy na kayo po ipagpalain at ingatan ng ating Panginoon. God bless po!
Hi, Ronnie. Happy birthday. Happy 25th. See you soon.
Happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Sana hindi na kayo magkasakit. Basta mabuti kayo laging kalagayan. Good health. Take care of yourself always. Tapos, magpakaano kayo. Magpakasaya sa sarili ninyo. You're 50 years old na. Gaya habol ka na sa akin. Na mag-ano ka, senior citizen. Sana'y maligaya sa iyong pagbati namin sa iyo. God bless.
Hi, Cece, your Quaker sister, saying cheers to the Big 5-0. Happy birthday. I would just like to say thank you for everything you do to our family. All the love, the kindness, and unconditional love that you share to everyone. I would like to say we appreciate all of that, and we always love you, and we're here for you. I hope you enjoy your part 2 celebration. I love you so much. Take care and see you soon.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Always be happy. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta sa pamilya natin, sa inyo ni G, ni Marina. Basta always happy lang ha. We're not getting any younger. Love you. Happy birthday.
Oh, tita, happy birthday to you. Stay healthy, tita, and ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday and salamat sa mga regalong binibigay mo sa amin palagi. Bye!
Wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I wish I can be there to celebrate with you. I miss traveling with you and Tito G. If ever you guys come here in Europe, just let me know. We can travel and hang out together.
Hi, Tita Neneng. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best and I wish you good health. And I hope that you have a good year as a 50 years old. That's all. Bye, Tita.
Hi! Happy birthday, Tita Ronnie, and advance happy birthday, Tito G. I wish you good health and genuine happiness in life. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na ibinibigay nyo sa pamilya. And always know that the family in Gese ay palaging nandito para sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy Sana maging masaya po yung birthday niyo po dyan. Love you, Ninang. Miss na miss ko kayo.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and stay healthy every day. And more travel with you pa and with family. I love you! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tita Ronnie!
Hello po, Tita Ronnie. Happy birthday po. May your birthday be as beautiful as and as special as you are. Happy birthday po. God bless po. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Birthday, Tita. Happy 15th birthday, Tita. We wish you more birthdays to come pa, Tita. And sana maging healthy ka ng palagi, maging contented sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo araw-araw, and we pray na kung ano pa yung gusto mong makamit sa buhay, ano pa yung gusto mong makuha sa buhay, sana ma-achieve yun. And continue to bless others, Tita, sa mga blessings na gusto mong share, and sana maging masaya ka lang palagi, and huwag mong iisipin yung numbers.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ronnie!
Happy birthday.
You wanna sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ronnie. Happy birthday to you. Mwah! Can we give it Auntie Ronnie kisses? For a kiss.
Gotta do it.
See, I don't see Auntie Ronnie. No. We're excited to see you soon. Happy birthday. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ronnie. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ronnie. Thank you very much sa supply na vitamins kay nanay. We love you.
We love you po. Ingat
Happy
po.
Valentine.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and hope you have more travels and visit us here from Canada. Bye.
Hi Ronnie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang. We wish you more blessings. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ron. 50th birthday ka na pala, ha? And as my gift for you, here.
Hey Ronnie, I'm deeply grateful to have met you. You are a wonderful person and a true friend. And although we're miles apart, know that you are cherished and I think of you fondly always. You're always in my thoughts. Wishing you a long and happy and healthy life. Happy 50th birthday, my dear friend.
Hi, Ronnie. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the happiness, the love, and the joy you truly deserve. I just want to let you know that you're such an amazing woman. You're a very kind person and a generous one. And I just want to thank you for the lifelong friendship that we have. I know that we haven't seen each other for such a long time. But I do hope to see you someday and catch up with you. I miss you, girl. I love you.
Hi, Ronnie. Happy birthday to you. May God shower His blessing to you every day. Be happy and enjoy your special day. We miss you here in the Philippines. Happy birthday and happy Valentine. Love you.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다. 꽃보다 더 곱게 별보다 더 밝게 사자보다 용감
Happy birthday, Ate Ron. I'm wishing you a long, happy, prosperous, and healthy life. Ingat ka po palagi. God bless you and your whole family. Love you. God bless.
Hey Ronnie, happy 40th plus 25% tariff birthday. Can you believe we've reached this milestone? You're probably one of the few friends I've stayed connected with since elementary. And that's because your friendship is very special. You inspire, uplift, and just bring so much positivity everywhere you go. And let's not forget, you can still light up that dance floor like no other. Okay? Hips don't lie, Ronnie. No matter the distance, I'm always grateful for you. Congrats on this milestone. G's a very lucky fella. Wishing you a fantastic 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Ronald.
Hi, Ronaldine. This is Janet. Happy birthday. May you have a good health and healthy life ahead with your family. And sana hindi ka makalimot. And more blessings on this year for you. Take care.
Hi, BFF. I'm here sa Dasmariñas, Cavite at the moment. Funny thing is, nag-request ng video si Ina, and then I really thought that it was for Scott. So si Scott ang nabati ko. Kasalanan ni Ina yan. But you know that you are loved by your Macas family. And 50 ka na, wag aamin. At wag din aamin na may sumasakit ng mga kasukasuan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Happy birthday, Sisi.
Hope you have an amazing year.
Happy birthday, Aunt Ronnie. I love you.
Celebrating half century. Yeah.
Happy birthday. Take care. Enjoy your party. We love you.
Love you. Thank you for everything.
Hello, Neng. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Hi, Ronnie. Happy birthday. You're always so considerate and thoughtful for everything you do for other people, especially like gifts you get for people or things you think people would enjoy to do together. And I hope today people are treating you to that for a change, and you're having a special day and a really big birthday. I won't say the number. And that everyone's treating you with the same sort of consideration and thoughtfulness that you always treat others.
The world is incredibly lucky to have you for the number of years it has had you, which we will not say. Love you. Happy birthday.
Love you, Ronnie. Happy birthday.
Hi, best friend! Happy birthday! Today is your special day. Wishing you all the best in life. Kung may mga problema man, take it easy. Kasi lahat yan may solution. Because God is good all the time, di ba? So pray lang palagi. And thank you for being a generous person together with G. Thank you for always there for our family. Ingatan palagi ang health. Tumatanda na tayo, pero sa edad lang yon, hindi sa isip at sa mukha. Isip bata pa rin at lalong gumaganda, di ba? Once again, happy birthday, best friend. I love you.
My 3 of 2, happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, Ronnie. Happy 50th birthday from Ontario, where it's really cold. I guess today compares to 8 to the temperature that you're used to. I guess today you're nice and warm at 23. I wish. Anyways, have a splendid day on your birthday. Bye-bye from Ontario.
Woot woot! Mahal is turning 25! May you always be kind-hearted and always have the biggest heart. I love you.
Oh baby, baby, why you acting this way? I just remember all our days up the interstate when we were driving down the 408.
Happy birthday to Ronnie, my wonderful sestra. I am very happy that we are close again. I am grateful for that, and I wanted you to know. I wish you the bestest birthday, and I look forward to visiting you in Austin at some point this year when you get back. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ning. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Happy.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Wish ko lang para sa'yo, good health lang palagi and more blessings to come. At saka gusto ko lang sana mag-thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga nagawa mo sa amin. And stay pretty. Yun lang. Enjoy your birthday. Again, happy birthday. God bless always.
Hi Ronnie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Greetings from Bali. May you have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Hi Ronnie, happy 50th birthday. Today is a celebration of you, your kindness, your spirit, and the incredible journey you've had so far. As you step into this new chapter, we wish you even more exciting travels with Kuya G, creating beautiful memories together. May every adventure bring you joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. And as you move forward, may the sweet memories of your beloved Kika Banban always bring you comfort and warmth, reminding you of the love that never fades. Wishing you a year filled with happiness, love, and all the wonderful things you deserve. Happy 50th birthday. Cheers!
50 birthday, Ning! Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Aning kabay pang marami pang birthday darating. Love you. Thank you. Tanan sa tanan-tanan. Salamat, Ning.
You're not 50, you're 18, with a 30 years experience, and you still got the move to prove it. Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Here's to 28 and feeling great. Happy birthday, Queen. Wishing you all the best.
Hi ate, happy birthday. I wish you the most fun birthday celebration ever. I pray for good health and protection for you and the whole family. Please stay kind and as sweet and as lovely as you are always. I hope to see you soon, and God bless, and I love you.
Good morning, Ate Neng. Happy birthday. Sana makabakasyon ulit kayo dito sa Pilipinas para banding ulit. And then, sana we can go to your place and magbanding din tayo dyan. Char. Stay happy and healthy and pretty. That's all. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy 5-0. Wish I was there with you. Wish you were here with me right now. Miss you so much. Can't wait to see you, and I hope you have an absolutely fabulous birthday. Love you, girl.
Cheers to 50 wonderful years, ate. And wishing you life finest things at 50. Thank you so much sa unconditional love mo lagi sa akin and sa pamilya, ate. Enjoy your day, te. Hope to see you soon, ate. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ning. It's your special day. Wish ko sa iyo is sana gumanda ka. Ay, no. Maganda ka na pala talaga. Tumangkad ka ng konti. Ganito lang. Tapos, ipagpatuloy yung magandang ginagawa. Pagtulong sa amin, mga relatives mo. Sana hindi ka magsasawa. Malapit na pala tayo diskwento dun sa Jollibee. 10 taon na lang, magkaka-discount na tayo. Pag dumating yung time na yun, yan, muna ako na yung ID ko na lang gamitin natin pag kumain tayo doon. Pero ikaw mababayad, yes ba? Happy Valentine's and happy birthday to you. Tagay na!
Happy birthday. More places to explore. God bless, stay healthy. Happy life always and unique Kuya G. Have a good one. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Ron, happy 50th birthday. I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, and love. I pray to God will grant you long life, a good health, more blessing, and many more birthday pa po. I hope your celebration give you many happy memory. Again, ate, happy birthday po. See you soon.
Hi, Rodaline. I'm Cecil Paz, aka Toti Marie.
happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Remember, life begins at 50. Kaya enjoy your day at less stress ha. Always think of beautiful things para lalo tayong bumata, di ba? That's the secret. And of course, always keep joy in our hearts. O siya, sana magkita naman tayo ha. See you soon and God bless you always. Mwah!
Today's your special day, it's time to celebrate. Another year of life, let's make it great. With friends and family all around.